My go-to Japanese breakfast. $30 grams of onion, cut into half moons. $70 grams of spinach, cut into bite-sized pieces. Two sheets of fried tofu, cut in half. Squeeze the fried tofu by rolling a cooking chopstick over it. Open to make a pocket. Next, pour plenty of boiling water over the fried tofu. This allows the flavor to soak in well later. Once cooled, squeeze out the water by hand. Pour the cut spinach for 30 seconds. Half tablespoon of sesame paste, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of rice vinegar, a dash of salt, a dash of ajinomoto, 1 teaspoon of ground white sesame seeds. Mix well. Drain the boiled spinach and mix it into the sauce. Squeeze the water out of the blanched fried tofu. Put 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of sugar in the pot. 2.5 teaspoons of soy sauce. A dash of Dashi Powder. 70 ml of water. Medium heat. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low and add the fried tofu. Cover with a drop lid such as aluminum foil. After simmering for 3 minutes, remove the lid. Turn the fried tofu over. Put the lid back on and simmer for 3 minutes. Simmer until the liquid evaporates, then remove and let it cool. Next, make the sauce for the sushi rice. 13 ml of rice vinegar, 5 grams of sugar, 1.5 grams of salt. Heat in the microwave at 500 watts for 30 seconds. Mix until the seasonings are completely dissolved. 170 grams of cooked white rice. Add the prepared sushi vinegar. Mix well. One to 2 teaspoons of white sesame seeds. Mix well. Shape the sushi rice into small rectangles. Stuff the fried tofu pockets. Once shaped, it's finished. Put the cut onion into a pot. 200 ml of water. Cover the pot with a lid. medium heat. Simmer the onion until cooked through. 1 egg. After simmering for about 1 minute, turn off the heat. 1 tablespoon of miso paste. Add a dash of dashi powder if not using dashi infused miso. 今日の日本の朝ごはんはこんな感じでした。Enjoy!